Mathematics Year 2. Hi, I'm Teacher Mafuza. Today, we will learn how to recognize and write numbers. Let's revise the numbers up to 1000. Do you recognize these 10 numbers? Let's read together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to remember the spelling for each of these words. Let's continue the next 10 numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Some people are confused with the spelling of some numbers. For example, 13, 14, and 18. So you need to remember the spelling. Let's continue on 20. This is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Look at the pattern here. The front is number 2, so we write 20. We just change the numbers at the back. For number 30, we write 30. Let's look at the spelling on these numbers. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. From 30 to 90, you follow the same pattern with 20. 100. So you write 100. Let's learn some vocabulary. Place value chart. Carta nilai tempat. Place value, nilai tempat. Words, perkataan-perkataan. Numerals, angka atau nombor. Let's learn how to write the numbers in words. Look at this example. Let's read 3-digit numbers. Write the numbers in word. Word bermaksud perkataan. Look at the number 4, 2, 5. Let's use the place value chart. For this place value chart, we write the place values at the below. Why? It's easy for us to read or say the numbers. Remember, between hundreds and tens, we put n. Now, let's place each digit of the numbers in the place value chart. How to read or say these numbers? We will start from hundreds. 400. Then we write n. For tens and ones place, we read together. 25. 425. Next example. Look at the number 9, 1, and 4. Let's use place value chart. We write n between hundreds and tens. Now, let's place each digit of the numbers in the place value chart. How to read this number? We start from hundreds place. 900 and for tens and ones place, we read this number together. 14. 914. Let's look at this number. 207. How to read this number? Let's use place value chart. Place each digit of the numbers in the place value chart. Now, let's start read from hundreds place. 200. Then we write N. For tens and ones place, we read together. But we just read 7. 207. Let's learn how to write the numbers in numerals. Let's look at this example. Write the numbers in numeral. Numeral bermaksud nombor. 410. How to write in numeral? Let's use the place value chart. We write the place values in the top of the box. Now let's start from hundreds. Look at the word for 100. So we write number 4. Then the word N. For tens and ones place, we look at the word after N. 10. 10 in tens we change to 1. Then in ones place we put 0. So we write like this, 410. Now let's continue to the next example. 623. Let's use the place value chart. How to write in numeral? Let's start from hundreds place. Look at the word 600. 6 we change to number 6. Then the word N. For tens and ones place, we look at the word after N. 23. 20 in tens place and 3 in ones place. Change 20 to number 2. Then 3 to number 3. Now we can write in numeral 623. Next example. 702. Let's use the place value chart. Let's start from hundreds place. Look at the word 700. 7 in hundreds place, change to number 7. Then the words N. For tens and ones place, we look at the word after N. 2. 2 we put in ones place and change to number 2. For tens place, we write 0. Now we can write the number in numeral 702. Let's do activity book on page 1, 2, 3 and 4. Activity 1. Read the instruction. Say and match the words with the numerals. Look at number 1. Let's read 603. How to write in numeral? Let's use the plus value chart. We start from hundreds. So look at the word 600. We write 6 in hundreds place. Then for tens and ones place, we look at the word after n. Yes, 3. So in tens we write 0 and ones we write 3. So the answer is 603. For the others question, try to do it yourself. Activity 2. Read the instruction. Color the matching numerals and words using the same color. Look at this word. Let's read 740. How to write in numeral? Let's use the plus value chart. Start from hundreds. Look at the word 700. So we write number 7. For tens and ones place, we look at the word after n. Yes, 40. So we write 4 in tens and 0 in ones. Use the same color. We use blue, so find 740. Yes, this one. For the other numbers, you try to do it yourself and use the same technique. Look at activity 1 on page 3. Read the instruction. Say and match the words with the numerals. Look at A. Let's read 81. How to write in numeral? Yes, we write 8 and 1. 81. Let's continue B. 123. How to write in numeral? Let's use the plus value chart. We start from hundreds place. Look at the word 100. So we write number 1. Let's continue with tens and ones place. Look at the word after n. Yes, 23. So we write 2 in tens and 3 in ones place. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. For the others question, try to do it yourself. You can use the same technique. Activity 2. Read the instruction. Write the numbers in words. Look at this number. Let's read the number. 1, 5, 6. How to write in word? Let's use the plus value chart. Start from hundreds. 1 in hundreds place. Continue with tens place. 5 in tens. Then 6 in ones. Let's read the numbers. We start from hundreds place. 100. Then we write n. For tens and ones place, we read together the numbers. 56. So the answer is 156. For the other numbers, you try to do it yourself. Follow the technique. Thank you for watching. Bye.